Reusing geometry provides significant productivity and cost savings benefits. However, if strict naming and classification standards are not followed, there is little chance of finding the data. A text-based search on this data returns 2 turbochargers. Geolus is a technology that searches based on shape and quickly finds parts with similar geometry regardless of how classified. Here, Geolus searches on the same dataset using the collection of parts that comprise a turbocharger. Note that this is a geometry-based search and is independent of any text data and returns all 13 similar items. Early in the design cycle, an engineer has created a simplified design of a part. This is enough for Geolus to search for similar parts in the company library. If there is a close enough match, the engineer can use the existing part rather than waste precious resources doing work that's been done before. A result can be opened as the new current part or inserted into the current assembly. As you can see, the shape search returns 2 close matches to the simplified part. Their names are quite different from each other. This shows how Geolus overcomes the problems presented by inconsistent naming or classification. If this existing part exactly matches our needs, then we can use it, or we can treat it as a template and adjust it to our requirements. This is much more efficient than designing a new part. In this case, we'll use synchronous technology in NX to increase the height of this pump cover. Note that we select both the inner and outer faces. This is to maintain the thickness of the pump. The part navigation tree provides an undo-redo control for this edit. The combination of keyword and geometry searching is very powerful. Here we use the keyword pump to find at least one item of the type we're looking for. The graphical format of the results makes it easy to identify a part whose geometry can be used to find all items similar to it. The part is effortlessly loaded into NX, where it is inspected to verify its correctness. Geolus is then used again. This time we use the geometry of the pump piece to find the other parts. Here, 2 parts have been returned. A single keyword search would not have returned both parts. In this last scenario, you see that Geolus even returns finite element models that are similar in shape to the originating part. This enables engineers to cross-reference and reuse knowledge associated with FEMs of a similar shape. In summary, Geolus is a 3D search engine which rapidly tracks down parts that have similar geometry. It provides a great opportunity to cross-reference records of similarly shaped parts. It provides an environment for savings in design time, cost estimating, procurement, manufacturing, and inventory.